Hello everyone, welcome to Pharma Toppers. Today we are going to discuss on a topic how to study pharmacognosy subject from GPAT point of view. So pharmacognosy is a core subject from pharmacy and every year in GPAT examination near about 10 to 15 questions are there from pharmacognosy. So if you study this subject in a proper way, then you can get good marks and very good all India rank in a GPAT examination. So today the points of discussion will be: first one will be the introduction of pharmacognosy, second trust areas of the GPAT, third the tips regarding study of pharmacognosy, and fourth one will be books for reference. So let us start with our first point, that is introduction of pharmacognosy. All of us know that pharmacognosy is a study of crude drugs. So these crude drugs we obtain from three main natural sources. First one is the plants, animals and minerals. So the crude drugs obtained from the plants we again subclassify into two main types, that is primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. So everyone should be clear what is the difference between primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. So primary metabolites are the metabolites of the plant which are necessary or which plant utilizes for their own growth and development, while secondary metabolites are the metabolites of the plant which are not at all necessary for their own growth and development. These are the waste products of the plant. So the examples of the primary metabolites are carbohydrates and lipids, and the examples of the secondary metabolites are alkaloids, glycosides, volatile oils, resins and tannins. So this is what the introduction of the pharmacognosy, and now we'll discuss about the trust areas of the GPAT. So for GPAT examination we should have more focus on the drugs containing secondary metabolites. Likewise, alkaloids and glycosides have much more weightage as compared to volatile oils, resins and tannins, but still we are going to study this, and we'll study some important points in carbohydrates and lipids also. The second topic of trust area of the GPAT is analytical pharmacognosy, and third will be the medicinal plant biotechnology. So now I would like to share some tips for studying pharmacognosy. I will suggest that pharmacognosy study should be done in a group, provided that your group should not contain more than 6 members, and always have a habit to ask questions while studying in a group. Suppose if you studied the glycoside chapter, so one may ask the question like which type of trichomes are present in senna leaf. Someone may ask tell me the crude drug containing glycoside in which calcium oxalate crystals are absent. Someone may ask Shinoda test is applicable for which type of glycosidic drugs. Someone may ask Amygdala amara is a synonym for. If you study in this way, it will reduce your confusion and obviously your confidence will be more while attempting these questions for GPAT. Now we will discuss about the books which are used for the reference. So for studying pharmacognosy subject, the pharmacognosy by Gokhale, Kokate and Purohit is a very best book. If you want to study further more, then you can go with Treason Evans and Wallis also. And one book for the study of GPAT examination, that is GPAT A Companion by Inamdar ma'am. It is also very good book. So in next lecture we will discuss about the drugs containing alkaloids. Thank you.